Happy birthday to mother. Mom is so excited. Happy birthday, Papa.
Cutting or what you are doing? Wow! Yay! Sagan. போ ஆண்டி கிட்ட போ சாக்க நாங்க போய் நின்னதான் பேசி போ 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 அங்கிள்கிட்ட போ
சாப்பிட்றா
he won't eat cake sir
கொஞ்சம் கட் ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳೆ
Rajika, where are you? Come. Wait, sir, wait. Give Rajika cake.
ಇವರು ಬ್ಯಾಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ
இருடா அவ்வளவுதான் கட் பண்ண முடிஞ்சிச்சு கேக் கட்டிங்களா
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು
Me. Okay. What is that? Me. Oh, is that like that? Yeah. What animal name is that? Why are you laughing, madam? That's funny. You say that, right? Me. Yeah, wait. Now. I know. So I did not feed him, right?
Yeah.
He is waiting, I think.
Hug.
ಸರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ
Yeah. Happy.
That's good. You like it, right? I know. You all
He
like it.
gave it to me.
Take care.
Taking video.
Is that good?
No. By eating, no, he will run away. Don't worry about it.
What is going to punish you if you don't drink?
Until waiting asleep ன்னு சொல்லு கை வீசுறா half don't waste half of it
Rajesh?
I didn't use it